Hey guys, this is me Priya. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Snapchat camera zoomed in. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, what you have to do is just open up settings app here and then scroll it down and then tap on the applications and permissions. Then tap on system app settings. So guys, as you can see, no update for Snapchat available here. If any update available here, then I have to get this one and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the second one. For that, open up Google Play Store here and search for Snapchat. Here it is. So guys, if any update available here, then up to date this and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is still not solved, then what you have to do is just open Snapchat here and then tap on the profile icon here, then tap on the settings icon here and scroll it down. There you can see lenses, so tap on lenses and here tap on clear local lens data, tap on clear and clear all lenses data. So guys, after that your problem will be fixed. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.